Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Friday night and I am preparing for my tomorrow's breakfast ride. कहाँ पे जाने वाला हूँ ये मैं कल सुबह ही बता दूंगा. फ़िलहाल तो मैं कुछ छोटी मोटी तैयारी कर लेता हूँ. आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग राइट नाउ. वेदर इट मे बी अ स्मॉल राइड बट आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग राइट नाउ. द रीज़न इज़ मुझे सुबह जल्दी निकलना है. मैं से 6 साढ़े 6 बजे निकल जाऊँगा और रिटर्न आई विल बी कमिंग बैक बाय 10:30 और 11 बिकॉज बाद में मुझे काम है. सो दैट्स वाई. So let me just show you what things I would be taking with me. So I would be taking this tank bag with me because I have to keep the camera, accessories and some towel. There are the bike papers, my wallet and sanitizer and mask. So it's better I take the tank bag and my helmet. Again I would be using the Axor helmet because it is safe that I use full face helmet on highway. I just need to put some mounts for the GoPro setup and this is my jacket. मैंने पिछले 2-3 वीडियोस में कहा कि मैं मेरे जैकेट के बारे में पता होगा दिखा होगा कि जैकेट कैसा है. तो this is the XDI Octane jacket which I purchased like 2 years ago. यहाँ पे शोल्डर पे आर्मर है, एल्बोज में आर्मर है एंड बैक में आर्मर है. दिस इज़ द ब्रांडिंग ओवर हियर. इट्स अ प्रीटी गुड जैकेट. इसके अंदर रेन लाइनर भी है लेकिन मैंने रेन लाइनर निकाल के रखा है बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक दैट वेयरिंग बिकॉज वो भाई बहुत ईची भी होता है और बहुत गर्मी होती है. दैट्स वाई. सो विल मीट यू टुमारो ऑन बाइक.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is the next day. I have started just 5 minutes back and the time is right now 7:20 a.m. So Saturday morning, clear weather, not actually clear, cloudy weather but it's pleasant. And जब मैं उठा था तब तक मैं confused था कि मैं आज कहाँ पे जाऊँ. So then I decided I will go on the Dhule highway. I don't remember the highway number, but the route would be like Chanwat, Malegaon and Dhule. So Dhule is around 150 kilometers from here. I think I have some fuel. हाईवे पे भर लेंगे अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो. Yeah, you can see this construction. On my right there is an educational institute KK Bagh. जहाँ पे मैं था, मतलब ये वाले कैंपस में नहीं था. I was at the Saraswati Nagar campus for my bachelor's, that is the BCS. I have done it from there. So when I used to go college, the 4-lane on the road or the road which I am on right now, this road was under construction, and many years before this road was only 2 lanes, means that is a single lane road for the incoming and outgoing traffic. That's it. But in the past 8-9 years it has become a 4-lane and now the flyover construction. So what I am thinking is that I don't know when I will go on a long ride because I have to plan, I have to take leaves from the office. And I'm thinking a ride to, I don't know the location, but I can say 5-6 days where I can stay for the relaxation, just relax करने के लिए, chill करने के लिए. एक minimum 4-5 days का vacation तो बनता है. So I don't know when that will happen. So till that time I would be doing such short rides on the weekend, so that I would be active on the YouTube also, and you guys will have some another content. But again the problem is there are not so much places to visit in the outskirts of Nasik. तो जो पता है अभी ही वहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ, पहले भी जा चुका हूँ लेकिन तब कुछ कैमरा वगैरह नहीं था, तो आई जस्ट राइड, तब मैंने कुछ शूट नहीं किया. सो नाउ आई विल विजिट द प्लेसेस अगेन एंड मेक अ वीडियो. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन यार कि कोई अगर मुझे ज्वाइन करना चाहता है. They are almost welcome. Sorry, they are most welcome. It's onward right now, and seems like it was raining here in the morning or maybe last night, as per the road conditions, and somehow there is little fog. Somehow the here I am experiencing little fog. तो सही है यार. The time is 8:15, 8:20. Still the fog can be seen. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing that. If I go left, Surat is 248. Speed breaker, and the Chanwad is just 10 kilometers from here. Has increased right now here. I'm sure the camera is not doing the justice, but अचानक से बहुत ठंडी लगने लगी यार. बस आप मुझे कोई बारिश ना लगे, अगर लगती भी है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बस आई नीड टू कीप माई GoPro इनसाइड. टू व्हीलर की लेन कहाँ पे है? फुटपाथ को टू व्हीलर लेन बना दिया. वाह. I don't know whether it may be like this only. सही है साइकिलिंग यहाँ पे भी. फॉग क्या चल रहा है? फॉग चल रहा है भैया. I'm at the bypass road, where from there you can go to the Renuka Mata temple, which is at the down, and on the top you can also see that temple, and there is a small waterfall. Sorry, I'm now not carrying my DSLR, so this camera might not capture the waterfall also. Yeah, the bike. So guys, I'm at the Chanwad right now. I've just taken a short break. I have just crossed the ghat and I came back here so that I can stop for some time, 5-10 minutes, and I can have some little breakfast with the biscuits which I have brought. So मतलब पहले सोचा कि होटल पे खा लूँगा, लेकिन फिर बाद में सोचा कि जाने दो यार, अकेला हो कहाँ पे होटल पे जाओ, वापस सब जैकेट निकालो, टैंक बैग निकालो. So that's why I thought I will carry some biscuits with me and then I will eat and leave. You can see some people coming from the temple side, but it's better that I stay here. यहीं से दर्शन कर लूँगा माता जी को. And yeah, अभी रुकता हूँ थोड़ी देर. So I just want to give a short review regarding the GoPro Hero 7 Black which I'm using. So I'm using since a couple of months and the video quality is awesome when you shoot in the 4K. The stabilization is also good because मैं अभी इतने गंदे रोड्स पे भी मैंने बाइक चलाई है तो मुझे कभी इतना वीडियो शेकी नहीं लगा. The battery backup is not somehow that good, means better हो सकता था, but because due to the features of the camera the battery is getting drained very fast. Also जब भी मैं 4K में शूट करता हूँ ना, कैमरा बहुत हद से ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाता है. So I think ये the warming of the camera due to the 4K वीडियो क्वालिटी, इट डजंट हार्म द कैमरा. दैट्स इट. मेरा बस यही कंसर्न है. गर्म होता है ठीक है चलेगा, लेकिन गर्म होने से कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड या इसके बाद GoPro Hero 7 के बाद GoPro 8 आया विच हैज़ द मीडिया मोड्स. यू कैन इंस्टॉल अ फ्लैश लाइट, यू कैन इंस्टॉल एन एक्स्ट्रा स्क्रीन और माइक. Hero 4 या Hero 5 के बाद से आई थिंक यू नीड a Type-C adapter to connect the mic. Before Hero 5 there would be only 3.5mm jack for the GoPro on the GoPro, and you can easily plug any mic which has the 3.5mm connection. But from Hero 6 or Hero 7 they have done it mandatory to have a GoPro adapter which is quite expensive, and the camera supports only, we can say, this original adapter. So that is the only bad thing which I encountered, means that this is the only bad thing which I saw. And recently GoPro has launched the GoPro Hero 9 Black which has the 5K recording. So सोचो यार, 4K में आपको इतना मज़ा आता है, 4K में आप कोई भी वीडियो देखते हो तो आपको इतना मज़ा आता है, तो सोचो 5K में आप जब शूट करोगे तो उसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी होगी. ऑब्वियसली उसकी वीडियो की जो साइज़ है वो बढ़ेगी, लेकिन you will get the quality video. GoPro 9 has officially launched, but in India it would be coming in the late October, or we can say the end of the October, and the price is around 50,000. Yes, 50,000. That is very expensive, but it has got all the features, all the pro features. You can shoot in 5K. There is like hyper smooth stabilization 3.0, and then also there is time wrap 2.0. You can compare the time wrap 2.0 on the Hero 7 to the Hero 8. You will get a difference. And also when you click a still picture in GoPro Hero 9, the quality is around 20 megapixels. So in this Hero 7 the quality is like 12 megapixels. So there might be a lot of difference regarding the image quality. So quickly let me have some biscuits. Okay. खाने के बाद मिलता हूँ. वॉलेट ले लिया. वॉलेट मैंने, मोबाइल तो इधर ही है. लेट्स गो. ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. अभी जैकेट के अंदर से मुझे इतना गर्म हो रहा है बिकॉज आई हैव वेयर वी कैन से ड्राई फिट टाइट, वी कैन से टाइट्स. because I feel more comfortable for wearing jacket above that. बिकॉज वो टी शर्ट पहना ना तो फिर वापस वो अगर पसीना आता है गर्मी के कारण तो टी शर्ट गीला हो जाता है एंड देन वो गीला गीला मुझे पसंद नहीं. नाउ द सन हैज़ कम आउट. Actually, I'm trying to get some unique shots for you. Let me just clear this city or cow, whatever it is, Chanwad. Then when the road is free, I will get you some unique shots. Now the sun has come out. Actually, I'm trying to get some unique shots for you. Let me just clear this city or cow, whatever it is, Chanwad. Then when the road is free, I will get you some unique shots. I don't know what happened to the mic at this point. So in the last clip, my voice is not recorded properly. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I would be reaching home in the next 5 minutes as per the video. So I hope you will like and enjoy to view the video after I upload it on YouTube. So you guys take care, stay safe, have fun, take care, bye bye. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is abhilash_harsole. I will put I will put my link in the description box for the Instagram. So yeah, take care, bye.